welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, my name is Marielou, and for today's video I just thought I would do another couple days of my life in New York because soon we're going to be traveling a little bit in the month of April, so I want to keep the New York vlogs going. I'm feeling just much better than I was like 2 videos ago. Yeah, 2 videos ago, where I was just feeling really under the weather. It is a really gloomy day today. As you can see, the sky is just gray and I'm gray. Okay, hey guys, just got back home. Don't mind the laundry's overflowing. I'm gonna be taking care of that soon. But I went shopping and I didn't try anything on other than the shoes. So I want to show you guys everything I got, and then I'm also gonna do a little try on haul. But first, I went to Trader Joe's and let me show you guys everything I got. My aim is to make to do some type of juice cleanse. I don't know if I want to do a full juice cleanse yet, but I got everything to make different juices. So I got oranges, carrots, lemons, or apples to have as a snack with almond butter. I got a banana almond butter protein smoothie just because this is a little bit more filling, because I've never done a juice cleanse. I don't know if I'm gonna fully commit to the juice cleanse yet. I'm honestly gonna see how I feel, but I just got this in case I need something to hold me over, something a little bit more filling. More dish soap, some flowers too. I don't know if you can kind of see. Got these two. I really want to hang eucalyptus in my shower. I've never done it and I really want to try it. Sorry, I don't know why my dishwasher keeps beeping. I literally opened it. Let me go see if I can fix that. Spinach, mint, because I love mint in juices, especially lemonade, cucumber, 2 cucumbers for salad and green juice. More mint, green apples, again for my green juice, cherry shot in this turmeric shot. Got so many bananas for smoothies. We eat bananas so much in this house. Ginger and strawberries. So I'm gonna put all this away and then I'll show you the clothes that I got too. Show you guys what I got, but there were so many people out. We were on a little bit of a time crunch. It was a Sunday in Soho, so I bought without trying on. So I'm buying things, trying them on with you for the first time, and I'm probably gonna be returning some things because I bought a lot of things that I was I kind of went crazy. I've been in a shopping mood for a long time and just did window shopping and haven't bought anything. So the first place I went to is Windsor, and I got this dress just because I thought it was very pretty. It's not my size, but it looked like it would fit. Very pretty material and this tan color, which I feel with a tan would look pretty. A good spring dress from that same place. Okay, I was not gonna buy this because I have to try it on. Do you know what I'm saying? I have to style it and try it on. This is probably the craziest thing I've ever bought, but it's this bralette with fringe. I don't know. I wanted to try it on. Yeah, I bought shoes to match. Well, I bought the shoes first and then I saw this. Both those pieces. I went into the Princess Polly store that just opened up. There was a dress on the mannequin that had polka dots that I really, really loved. It had these thin straps, tight here and then kind of flowy out. And it was a straight bandeau top. I really loved it. They only had giant sizes. But then I saw this, which is the similar vibe. If anything, it's a little bit more dressed down, because it has thicker straps. It's this little mini dress, and I'm hoping this will fit right because it has these little ties in the back, and I just thought this would be a cute spring summer dress. I think my mom would actually hate this. Scratch that, she would hate this too. I'm really unsure about everything I bought, but for some reason I was intrigued to try different things. Dad got me some things from for Women's Day from Aloe, but everything just fit weirdly. So we returned it and I got some other things instead that I did try on in the Aloe store. Got this magnesium spray. Again, I got this for my mom a while back, and it's supposed to really help with sleep and just relaxing muscles, and y'all know that I need to relax. It's not in my vocabulary, and I'm really trying to grow out of it in my 20s. So I thought, why not? And it really smells good. Sprayed it on me earlier. So I got the Aloe, it's a magnesium reset spray. If you ever go into Aloe, highly recommend trying it. I also bought these little socks. Okay, listen, I have a vision. These socks with, okay, this little sports bra. Just white sports bra with the aloe socks. This little tennis skirt fits so perfectly, and the way it's cut in the back is really flattering. However, I don't think this is going to be a deal breaker for me, but there's built-in shorts underneath, but they are completely see-through. But I don't know, if I wear nude underwear, I think it'll be fine. So I'm not going to try this on because I did try it on already earlier, so you guys saw this in the vlog. But I got this little like set. I feel like it would be cute. Might wear like a little t-shirt over it, or I got this little wrapped top for my birthday from Christina, which I think will be really cute on that too. My first ever Steve Madden shoes. Steve Madden had like 20 pairs of shoes I wanted. There was so many shoes I wanted. So literally there was like nice boots, heels, flats, like Isabelle Marant, like those sneakered high heels. They had those. They had like cool tennis shoes. They had everything. Like they had the most amazing flats. So I don't know why these, like I'm saying, I'm going crazy. I am going crazy. I did try these on. I like them. Am I going through a phase? But they have a squared toe, this, and then these two fringe buckles. And lastly, this is very much like a shopping spree for me. I never shop in the US. It's like a weird thing. We'll see how much I keep. I needed a jean skirt, simple jean skirt with the spring coming up. I just thought this was nice. I also wanted a belt they had on the mannequin, but they obviously didn't have it in store. Yeah. I've been finding it hard to find like pretty jean skirts that I like the fabric of, or like I like the bottom. Like, why are they all unraveled at the bottom? Like, I don't mind that look, but I don't want that on a skirt because then I feel like it's too much. I don't know. Basically, the most basic jean skirt. Got her. Again, I like the beading on it, and it's super comfy, like fabric wise. And it has this like bra top and this like just cowl neck. I don't know. I really wanted to try it out. Good morning. Today's gonna be a nice day. I just called my mom, cleaned up a little bit. I do, like, the only room that's not clean in the house right now is the bedroom. Get pumped up for the day, basically. That's what we're doing. So I'm just gonna be listening to some good ass music and getting ready. I haven't like spent a long time getting ready and just enjoying in a while, so I just really wanted to do that today. Why not? We are currently in the Upper West Side, so we wanted to go outside because it's really nice out. And I got a mango dragon fruit lemonade, and V got, what'd you get?
Strawberry cappuccino. The girliest drink there is in Starbucks. I would always grab one.
It's the cutest dog. Okay, let's do a little. Picked up a sandwich.
Yeah.
So he's gonna go eat that.
I'm not on a juice cleanse.
I'm on a juice cleanse, but I did have a Starbucks drink.
Already cheating, and it's only day one.
I know.
Not even a day.
I know.
Only a couple of hours.
I know. Probably would have been better if I ate. But technically, it's still just liquids.
I mean,
Show the inside. Yum. That looks good, though.
It is.
Is it good? No, stop. I can't. Sitting on this little bench. We're matching shoes today. Right there. We'll see. Started downpouring, as you can see from my hair. So I'm home. I poured myself my homemade green juice I made yesterday. And I'm just gonna chill a little bit, watch some TV. I want to feel better, like I want to feel more energy. I want my skin to do better. I just want to glow, you know what I mean? So that's my aim with this juice cleanse, just kind of feel better on my skin. I've been feeling better though. It's kind of like just to keep feeling better, I guess. But yeah, oh my god, my hair is crazy after the rain.
Grown out blonde, like very warm blonde look. So it looks a little bit better, but when I am super pale, right, a little bit, and I'm super slow because I think I might.
About a day and a half into my juice cleanse, I have decided to stop it because it's my first juice cleanse and I just feel like I'm starting to get a headache and just very lightheaded, and I think probably the lack of nutrients is starting to get to me, and I'm doing this juice cleanse for positive reasons. Anyway, I don't want to make it like chatty, but I just had my last juice in terms of cleanse. I still have juice left over that I will continue to drink, but I will be having a salad to break my juice cleanse. So yeah, I did a juice cleanse for like a day and a half. It is currently 2 p.m. almost, and my food is literally on the way because but I will try to still eat super clean for a couple days and have a lot of juice to replace some of my meals maybe, but maybe not all of them. So that's what I'm thinking of doing right now. So I'm gonna have my food, and then me and Bentley are probably gonna go walk. This morning has been great. I called my best friends, I called my mom, I called my grandma. I did a lot of my homework. Nothing rushed, so I'm gonna eat my food, chill, and then go outside. It looks really nice out. It is very sunny, but it's very cold, so I'm definitely gonna have to layer up. And I think I'm just gonna do no makeup and just kind of like, yeah, let's just have a chill day. I'm really excited for that. V will only be home later tonight anyway, so it'd be nice to go outside and get Bentley a nice proper walk. Anyway, that's my little update, and those are my plans for the rest of the day. I will take you guys along. I'll probably check in with you guys after I ate, because take one guess what I ordered for lunch. I didn't know I was like a person who fixated on things till I started to live alone and realized that I do fixate on meals. So you better know I'm about to get just salad, the same exact salad. The only reason I'm not getting the juice this time is because, again, even that's a fixation. I made myself a juice that tastes pretty similar. I'll see you guys after my just salad because I don't want to show it again. But you better know I'm eating the same meal again. It's about 2 hours later. I had my food and I napped, and I'm getting ready to go outside. So I'm wearing these black like leggings from Bershka. This is pink. This giant comfy cable knit sweater is Zara. I'm wearing an NTC Me top underneath to keep warm. My little cheap glasses that I wear non-stop. Mostly today a little bit to hide my face. No makeup, just lip liner and my little bag. And I put my hair up because it's just looking kind of ugly. Honestly, I was feeling a little bit guilty about the fact that I took a nap. Because I don't take naps that often anymore, like unless I'm having a really crappy day. But I was just really like, I don't know, I think it was maybe the juice cleanse and then eating. after so long of not eating, like made me really tired. I don't know how to describe it. But I was like, okay, I'm gonna take a 30-minute nap. So I took a 30-minute nap and I said, I'm not gonna feel bad about taking a nap as long as I get out afterwards because it is sunny. So hopefully I'm warm enough because I'm really like cold today. I don't know what's going on. I feel good mentally, just physically my body's a bit like, what is this? It's probably the juice cleanse. And I'm gonna go outside and just get a couple things. Like I wanna get some shampoo, a little bit more stuff that I need. Nothing crazy. And then after that, I think I'm just gonna do a little walk with Bentley. So yeah, that's our goal. I just had like the most amazing shower ever. I smell and feel so good.
Ja, la llave.